Well, you're certainly doing your job today, Mr. Sun. Oh, rats.
And here we have the world-famous Beatles, exactly as they looked performing on the Ed Sullivan Show.
I hardly think it's fair to be charged full price. I'm up to my knees in the original cast of MASH.
Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy.
Homer, my hat goes off to you.
It's cool in here, boy. For the rest of the summer, we can live inside the refrigerator.
Homer, the fridge wasn't meant to be used this way. Although I must say, it's certainly refreshing.
I got the idea when I noticed the refrigerator was cold.
Won't this overload the motor?
Marge, can you set the oven to cold?